Welcome to one-on-one-trading.com. My name is Troy Epperson, and in this video we're going to cover what I call trading nuggets. So you're going to have these nuggets, and we're going to do a series of these, and then we'll get back to the chart of the week. I hope at the very end you'll come over to our website, one-on-one-trading.com, and check out the services that we provide. This is the beginning of a four-part series on Fibonacci. Fibonacci, his first name was Leonardo. Leonardo Fibonacci was a mathematician that was born around 1175 AD and died in 1250 AD. And he found that there were ratios that described all kinds of different things in nature. Why these exist, it's really hard to explain. It's just that they do. And these ratio explains all kinds of different things. An example of how they exist in real life, as an example, honeybees. If you divide the female bees by the male bees at any given hive, you're going to get a ratio of 1.618. Sunflowers have opposing spirals of seeds, also within the same ratio, the 1.6.8, which is called the golden ratio, the 0.618. And that's going to be a central point of this discussion. Now, there are multiple types of Fibonacci application: retracements, circles, time extensions, and of course regular extensions. And these help us, for trading purposes, find support, resistance, and reversals. And we're going to show how to use these specific tools in four series. So this is number one. We're doing retracements. We're going to escape out of this and jump over to an ES chart. Just take a look at it. This is a 5-minute chart on the ES. Nothing particularly special. This is actually showing Friday, the Friday after Thanksgiving, so the pricing only goes until 1 o'clock. But we could go back a day and see, a standard day. But that being said, there's usually every charting package, this happens to be NinjaTrader, has a tool. In this case, for NinjaTrader, we used to click on the drawing tool and go down to Fibonacci retracements. This gives us the ability to take a run. For instance, you're going to use a low, and you always want to go from old to new. You always pull it from old to new. So here is a run. We're going to measure it, and look where the 38.2 right here. Here is the retracement. Retraces to 38.2, actually gave you two opportunities to get into this. Excellent, excellent. And you can pull Fibonacci's all day long. We'll show multiple examples of that. As an example, let's just do one more on this chart. Let's go to Fibonacci retracements. Let's go from this high right here to this low right there. Look, it went right to the 50. Now, yes, it is difficult to understand or to predict which Fibonacci level is going to retrace to, but it still gives you a shot at where it could go. 38.2, the 50, the 61.8% retracements right here are by far the most popular numbers for looking at retracements. And what you're doing is you're looking for it to come and touch this and then retrace off of it. So it bounces from here. Where is it going to bounce to? 32, 50, 61.8 are very high probability numbers. I tend to wait just a few minutes to see what happens when it reaches this level, to see if it starts to turn over, at which point I'll go ahead and take a shot at a trade based off the 38, the 50, or the 61.8. I look forward to seeing you next week when we go into number 2 of the series, which will be Fibonacci circles. One-on-one-trading.com. Thanks for watching. Come check us out at our website, one-on-one-trading.com.